ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజీలో చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా, మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్గా చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ని పరీక్షించుకునే కొరకు త్వరలో ప్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు.
Welcome back, students. We are discussing some problems, examination oriented questions. I have in the earlier class done some questions which are 2-mark questions. Now I am going to do some questions which are long answer questions. Sometimes they are asked for 4 marks. In this year they come under group B category, 4-mark questions. Out of 60, the question paper is set. In that 4-mark questions are this kind. So it takes another generally approximately 4 to 5 minutes time to answer these questions. For answering these questions, you are given a graph sheet. Sometimes even if graph sheet is not given also, you can answer the question by manually drawing the graph on the white paper or in your answer sheet. I am going to do that on the board. Look at that. They mention it very clearly in the question, then only use graph method, otherwise don't use. Examination question, solve using graph method. If solve using graph method is not mentioned, we can solve it in any way. Remember this, 2x plus y equal to 6, 2x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. This is the question given. Solve using graph method. This is the question given. If graph is not mentioned, you will be lucky enough to answer this question in any method. Understood? So you can answer this question in any method if the same question is given without graph, without the word graph. If graph is mentioned, answering this by graph method only is allowed. Any other method is not allowed. Even by chance, if you do it by any other method, if I am the valuer, I will give 0 marks. You may ask me, really every valuer will give 0 marks? It depends. Most of the valuers have to give 0 marks only, but in different cases they may give 1 or 2 marks. But let us not talk about that matter now. Let me take the solution, how to answer this question. Take the first equation. What is the first equation? 2x plus y is equal to 6. What is y? 6 minus 2x. You need to write one tabular form for drawing the values of x and y. And for drawing a graph, you need to have 3 different values, minimum 3 or 2. 2 values must, 3 values easy. So let me take 3 values. We will put here x, we will put here y. So we have to substitute various values of x. If I ask you, what do you want as x? You have to say that I want x as 0. 0 is very easy for you. So think of x 0. Substitute 0 here, y equal to 6 minus 2 into 0. 6 minus 0, 6 minus 0 is 6, done. What is the point here? X comma y is 0 comma 6 is the point. If you want, you can write this in the tabular form, or sometimes not needed, because 0 and 6 are available here. 0, 6 is the point. Now immediately next to 0, what is the value you take? 1. When taking x equal to 1, what is the value of y? 6 minus 2 into 1, 6 minus 2, 4. So 4 is the value of y. What is the coordinate? 1, 4. Next, shall we take minus 1? Yes. Minus 2 into minus 1 is minus into minus plus 8. So, you get a bigger value. So, instead we take smaller value. We will take x equal to 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. So, 2 and 2 is the point. So, now we got 3 points. We will stop these 3 points. We do not need to take another point because unnecessary confusion. Let us not take. So, we got 3 values. What are the 3 coordinates? X is 0, y is 6, 0, 6. 1, 4, 1, 4. 2, 2, 2, 2. If you want to verify whether it is true or false, you can substitute this point in the equation. 2x plus y, what is 2x plus y? 2 into 0 plus 6 is equal to 6, satisfied. 1, 4, substitute here. 2 into 1 plus 4, 2 plus 4, 6, satisfied. 2, 2, 2 into 2, 4 plus 2, 6, satisfied. So, the 3 points or the 3 coordinates what you got seems to be 100% correct. Now, take the second equation. Second equation you are writing here. 2x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. What is y? Take y to right side, 2x plus 2. Am I right? Here also, shall we write 3 values or 2 values? Anything as you require. X and y. Thumb rule, x and y, x equal to 0. First substitute 0, then what happens? Substitute x is 0. 2 into 0 is 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. Y is 2, x is 0. Take x is 1. 2 into 1, 2 plus 2, 4. Take minus 1. 2 into minus 1, minus 2 plus 2, 0. So, what is the point here? 0, 2. 1, 4, minus 1, 0 are the coordinates. This is not required. Strictly speaking, third column, third row is not required. So, you can write 2 points and draw the graph. Now, I am trying to draw the graph. Graph sheet is generally provided in the examination. You can take the graph sheet and answer this question. Answering it with the help of graph is very easy, but graph is not given also. You know how to answer this question. Look at the x values. I have taken 0, 1, 2 and minus 1. So, we need to have x coordinates positive and at the most minus 1. So, I am dividing this 1 unit, this is 1, I am taking the length as this 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units like this. When you are marking on the graph, be little bit intelligent. Do not mark it like this. Take x-axis 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Uneven way you do not answer. Just take unit length is the same. Length between the 2 points must be almost same. That is the reason I have measured with a chalk. This is a chalk is a 1 unit, second unit, third unit, fourth unit, negative unit minus 1. An intelligent student will think this way also. When you look at a graph, the graph should be beautiful and good. The valuer must be impressed. The valuer should not be irritated. By looking at this kind of points, the valuer gets irritated, 0 marks, gone. Next, upward, the same length. 1, 2, 3. Here, look at y values. 6, 4, 2. So, you should be very careful to go up to 5, 6 also, and this is going up, this is going left side, this is going right side, this is going down side. When you are given a graph, you do not need to worry about all these things. When you are plotting a graph, you should be careful. Here y values are 2, 4, 0, 2, 4, 0. Here y values are 6, 4, 2, all are positive. 6, 4, 2, no negative values. X values are on positive, only one value negative. First think about the line 1, this is L1. I am drawing L1 only. What is 0, 6? 0, 6 units, cross mark. I am taking a different chalk. Green chalk I am drawing, line 1. 1, 4, where is 1? 1 is here, 4 is here. Next. 2, 2, here is the point. Automatic, when you look at the 3 points, draw the line, definitely the line passes through the 3 points. 100% it is true. 100% it should pass through the 3 points. If it is not passing, you are somewhere wrong. Remember that. When you draw the graph and you take a graph sheet and draw it, 100% when you put the scale, the 3 points definitely are on the same line. Next, L1 is over. Now I am taking yellow chalk to draw L2. L2, 0, 2, where is this 0, 2? Here it is. 1, 4, 1, 4, here it is. Minus 1, 0, here it is. Look at the 3 points. Put a scale like this. This is L2. Drawing graphically. He has asked you to solve it graphically. When you see that the two lines are intersecting. What is the point of intersection? You can see it here. What is the point of intersection? 0. What point of intersection you can see? You are seeing 1, 4. Here it is. Here it is. 1, 4, 1, 4. This is 1, 4. So solution is x, y is equal to 1, 4. This is solving it graphically. All of you look at the board, copy down the problem, or I am going aside. You can take the screenshot. You are good, skilled learners. You can take a screenshot of this and try to answer on your own. I will explain the same problem graphically once again. If you want me to do this problem by any other method, I will do it in 2 minutes time. If graph is not mentioned, how to answer this question, that also I will tell you in 2 or 3 minutes time. We will allocate the time after this. Let me explain it. Solve it graphically. One line is given, second line is given. Take the first equation. From the first equation, write the value of y. Y in terms of x. That is usual way of writing. X in terms of y is also correct. If you take x in terms of y, you have to take y as per your choice, 0, 1, 2 like that. But general way is x value is supposed, y value is obtained. So there is a sequence of doing x value. So y in terms of x is always correct. X value is taken, various values. If you want to take 20, 30, 40, you can take, but take small values 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 3, 4, like that. Small values. Take at the most 2. Maximum 2 is enough, sometimes 3. Don't take more than 3. Don't unnecessarily bother yourself. 3 is extra, 1 point is extra also, but take 3, L1. Second equation, write x, y in terms of x, done. Tabular form, this is also extra column. We have written the extra row also. 1, 2, 3 points, 3 values of x, 3 values of y are obtained, 3 coordinates. Draw L1 on the graph, draw L2 on the graph. L1, L2 coordinates are available. How to draw it on the graph? When you are given a graph sheet, just middle row, middle horizontal. Vertical row, horizontal row, if you just draw vertical line, horizontal line, the whole graph sheet is now converted into 4 quadrants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the right side. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 on the right side, left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the upside. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 on the downside. Don't fill the graph with all the numbers. Just write 3, 4. Whatever we require. We require x to be 0, 1, 2, minus 1. Just write on the right side 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Left side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Upside 1, 2, 3, 4. You can stop, but here 6 is there. So up to 6 or 7 you can write. Down you don't need. So just write not even 1 point, not required. If graph is not given, don't make a issue. If graph is given, be comfortable. Understand? A wise student will not lose 1 minute time also. No arguing, no answering, no answering back. No graph is there, how can I answer? Like this, you do not irritate the evaluer or examiner. Draw it, solve it graphically means you can draw the graph on your own also. That is also justified. So, you want me to do the same problem by any other method. 2x plus y equal to 6, minus 6 equal to 0. 2x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. Just addition gives one value. What is addition? Y minus y is gone. Am I right? 2x plus 2x is 4x. Minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4 equal to 0 implies 4x is equal to 4. Am I right? X is equal to what? 1. Done. Value x is equal to 1 is obtained. How to go ahead? Substitute 1 in the first answer, first equation, get the value of y. Otherwise, subtract it, what do you get? 2x minus 2x gone, y minus minus y. So it is plus y, 2y, minus 6 minus 2, minus 8 equal to 0, implies 2y equal to 8, y equal to 4. Answer is x equal to 1, y is equal to 4. This is the answer. Look at the answer, what you have written in the graphical way. X is xy equal to 1 comma 4. Is there any difference between these two answers? No. If you want, you can write the same answer here also. Ordered pair is maintained. Ordered pair x comma y is ordered pair 1 comma 4. That means x y is 1 comma 4, x comma y is 1 comma 4. Here also you can write the solution is x equal to 1, y equal to 4. This answer is also correct. So when you are asked the question graphically, solve it graphically, this is the way you have to solve, by graphical method. Shall we do one more problem? Yes. There is one more problem which appeared in the exam, whether it is a graphical method or any other method, we will see. And let me explain the problem. Find the solution of these two lines graphically. I am going to slide the graph, I am going to slide the board in order to see the next problem.
Hello students, myself Sunil Kumar Badal. I have done my BTech from IIT Kanpur. Here at K. Venkanna classes, I teach chemistry. So, right now I know you all are busy with your board exam preparation. But let me ask you a question. Suppose you want to be a cricketer. Who would you choose your coach? A cricketer or a wrestler? Answer is definitely cricketer. So, in the same way here, we are the group of IITians, NITian and doctor. So, if you really want to crack or get a seat into IIT, NIT or any top medical colleges, come here and join us. What are you waiting for? Thank you.
I am writing the problem. Find the solution graphically. Find the solution of x plus 2y is equal to 10, 2x plus 4y is equal to 8 graphically. Just use your brain for 1 second. 3 are there. What are the 3? Intersecting lines, parallel lines, coincident lines. What kind of lines are these two lines? Use your brain and answer the question in yourself. Answer your question in yourself. Don't need to read out. In the examination hall, don't loudly answer the question. Look at the question, answer yourself. ఇవి ప్యారలల్ లైన్స్ రా, వచ్చేసిందిరా ఆన్సర్ మనసులో అనుకోండి. అంటే ఏంటి, ప్యారలల్ లైన్స్ ఎలా తెలిసిపోయింది? 1/2, 2/4. Write the other way. 2x plus 4y equal to 8, x plus 2y equal to 10. First equation, second equation, interchange. 2/1, 4/2. 2/1 is 2, 4/2 is 2. They are 2 equal. 2 is equal to 2 means they are parallel lines. But he has not asked you to answer this way. They are parallel lines. If you write, you will not be given 0 mark. You will be given 0 marks, not even 1 mark, because graphically this is highlighted. You must graphically prove that they are parallel lines. Find the solution graphically. After drawing the graph, if you establish that they are parallel lines, there is no solution. That is the way of answering the question graphically. So, as usual, solution set. First equation. What is the first equation? First table, 2y is equal to 10 minus x, y is equal to 10 minus x by 2. How many values we want to take? Shall we take 3 or 2? 2 values we will take. X, y. Put x is 0, put x is 2. Why I am taking 2, I will tell you in a minute's time. X is 0, 10 minus 0, 10 by 2, 5. Put x is 1, what happens? 10 minus 1, 9, 9 by 2, 4.5 you have to write. If you take even number 10 minus 2, 8 by 2, 4. Next even number if you want to take minus 2, 10 minus minus 2, 10 plus 2, 12 by 2, 6. So, 0 y value is 5, 2 y value is 4 and minus 2 y value is 6. This is the first table. Now, let me take the second equation here. What is the second equation? 2x plus 4y is equal to 8. Am I right? So, can you cancel it by 2? X plus 2y is equal to 4. 2y is equal to 4 minus x. Y is equal to 4 minus x by 2. Another table we want. Because of the place constraint, I am writing it this way. Because we have to draw a graph there. You can leisurely write it. X value, y value. What is the x value we take? First to take 0. Substitute 0. 4 minus 0 is 4. 4 by 2 is 2. 0 comma 2 is the point. Next. What do you get? Y is equal to, take another even number. 4 minus 2. Take 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 by 2 is 1. Take another even number. Minus 2. 4 minus minus 2. 4 plus 2. 6 by 2. 3. Now, I am plotting the graph. When I am plotting the graph, I am looking at x value. X value is 0, 2, minus 2. Maximum is 2. Here also 0, 2, minus 2. Therefore, I am taking both sides, one unit's length, 1, 2, 3. This is 0. This is minus 1. This is minus 2. So, I have plotted x axis with 1, 2, 3 on the right, minus 1, minus 2 on the left. Next, y axis. What are the y values? 5, 4, 6, up to 6, 0, 2, 1, 0, 3. Therefore, up to 6 we want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, we have to extend it to a little bit. I am just erasing this board because graph sheet is not provided. I am drawing the graph on the board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The maximum value is 6. Done. Next, this is negative y axis, positive y axis, negative x axis. Shall we draw the line 1? Line 1, I am using a different color chalk. What is line 1? 0 comma 5. Take x is 0, y is 5. So, this is the point. I have marked the point, cross with cross symbol. One point is done. 2 comma 4. 2 units, 4 units. This is the point. Next. Minus 2 comma 6. Minus 2, 6 is here. So, this is the point. You can plot a line like this. L1. Am I right? This is L1. L1 stands for line 1. Now, I am drawing line 2. What is line 2? How to draw the line 2? 0, 2. 0, 2. Here it is. 2, 1. 2, 1. Here it is. Minus 2, 3. Here it is. Look at the line 2. Are they looking parallel? Yes. Are they looking parallel? True. We have honestly drawn the graph. Honestly, we have marked the points. We have honestly drawn the lines. No business, no magic. Honestly, they are looking parallel. Look at the graph. Are they intersecting? Same length. This is the length between the two sides, two lines. You extend the lines to the maximum possible extent, they will never meet. What do you mean by that? Did you ever see railway track? Pair of tracks, railway tracks. A train moves on that. Will they meet? Never. If the tracks meet, there is no question of train traveling on it. Train will never move. That means parallel lines will never meet. That means what? What is the conclusion? No solution. What is the solution? No solution possible for parallel lines. An intelligent student will write this way. You have already learnt it, you have already got this answer. The moment I shown you the two lines. What was my first question? In 5 seconds you have answered the question. What is that first 5 seconds answer? The two lines are parallel. మనసులో అనుకోమని చెప్పాను. I asked you to keep in your mind what is that. తెలుగు స్టూడెంట్స్ విల్ కీప్ ఇట్ ఇన్ తెలుగు. అరే ఈ ప్యారలల్ లైన్స్ అంటే ఏమి, దానికి సొల్యూషన్ ఉండదు. ఇంగ్లీష్లో అరే దే ఆర్ ప్యారలల్ లైన్స్, దెర్ ఇస్ నో సొల్యూషన్. సో వాట్ డిడ్ హీ ఆస్క్? ఫైండ్ ద సొల్యూషన్. Answer is no solution. But if you write no solution instantly in 2 seconds, no marks, because it is 4-mark question. Have you understood the way we have done it? If you at all you are given a graph sheet, you can beautifully draw the graph. Don't take only 2 points, take 2 more points. 3 minus 3. Here also 3 minus 3. Take 4, 5, 6 points, beautifully draw the graph with 2 different color sketch pens. Impress the valuer. The moment the valuer looks at the graph, array, what a student. Full, just one tick mark, give 4 marks. Whatsoever full marks you are given, just like that he gives the full marks. And not only gives full marks, he is totally impressed. When your valuer is impressed, you are always at the beneficiary, at the benefit. What is the benefit you get? So you keep answering the questions in a very beautiful way, in a very impressive way. The valuer is impressed and answering the question, ticking the answers and giving the marks. Somewhere you are small mistake you do it, even then he doesn't bother, he will give you full marks. Because he thinks that you are good, he thinks that he is impressed, and he by oversight he will think and take it granted that this boy, this student is doing well and give you full marks. That advantage you should get when you have beautiful art of writing the answers. Shall we do one more? One more. Last problem. I hope this is a graphical question. Find the real values of C if the pair of equations have a unique solution. Justify whether it is true or false. We have answered this kind of questions. So more or less the same kind of questions are being asked in the examination. So I will wind up and let us recollect what you have learnt in the pair of linear equations so far in all these methods. So in short, I am explaining in 3 to 4 minutes time the whole summary of pair of lines. In pair of lines, you may be asked one 2-mark question or one 4-mark question, or at sometimes one multiple choice question. Forget about the examination point of view. If you are perfect in theory, you will definitely get good marks. So when you are given 2 equations, they are called pair of equations. Pair means 2. It is my pair of glasses. Pair means 2. Pair of fingers, pair of chappal, pair of shoes, pair of trousers, pair of pants, like that. Pair means always 2. You are given a pair of equations. 2 equations are given. What kind of equations are they? Linear equations. In that, what is the condition? I have already explained. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0 represents a line, a linear equation, provided that a comma b comma c are real numbers, and one of a and b is always non-zero. If a is 0, b is 0, what is there? Nothing is there. As if a plate is given, nothing is served. No 0 dal is given, 0 rice is given, 0 curd is given, 0 puri is given, everything 0, 0, 0, 0. What is the plate? Plate containing nothing. That is, when x coordinate, x coefficient is 0, y coefficient is 0, nothing is there. A is 0, b is 0, c is 0, nothing is there on the left side, 0, right side 0, 0 is 0. What is that equation you have written? That is the reason for a linear equation to exist, one of a and b is non-zero, c can be 0. That kind of equation we take, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. One more equation, write the first equation as a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, 2 lines. Whenever you think of 2 lines, what are the possible ways of the 2 lines? 2 lines are intersecting. I have been telling the same, 2 lines are parallel, 2 lines are coincident. Is there any other possibility? No. If at all you are given 2 lines, you have only these 2 possibilities, 3 possibilities. First possibility, they cut each other, they intersect each other, just like our roads. There is a road, it's called intersection. At the intersection, they will put one chaurasta. Chaurasta means what? 4 roads. When you intersect, this is one road, this is another road, this is another road, this is another road. This point of intersection is called Chaurasta. 4 lines meeting at point, 4 roads at one point. They are not in fact 4 roads, they are 2 roads intersecting at one point. It is also called the junction. Here in mathematical language we call it as intersection. There is a point. What is this point called? Point of intersection. What is this point of intersection graphically? Solution for the 2 lines, 2 linear equations. 2 lines meet each other at one point of intersection. 2 linear equations have one unique solution, means the same. Parallel lines, what is the condition? A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 but not equal to C1 by C2. They are 2 parallel lines. What is the condition for parallel lines? I have told you. What is the solution set? No solution. Unique solution. Infinitely many solutions. What do you mean by infinite solutions? Line and the same line. One railway track and the same railway track on itself. Where is the question of a train moving on it? Only one line on the same line, another line on the same line. X plus y plus 1 equal to 0, 2x plus 2y plus 2 equal to 0, 3x plus 3y plus 3 equal to 0, 4x plus 4y plus 4 equal to 0. What is that you are doing? You are doing nothing. Multiplying the first equation by 2, multiplying the first equation by 3, 4, 5, 100 times you multiply, but the same line. They are called coincident lines. When the coincident lines are given, ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and the same line itself. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. a1 by a2 is the same as b1 by b2 is the same as c1 by c2. All the 3 ratios are same. All the 3 ratios are same means coincident lines. When the 2 lines are coincident lines, infinitely many solutions. Every point on the line is a solution. For both the lines or 3 lines or 4 lines. This is a different case of 2 lines to be coincident, but interesting is intersecting lines. So, the whole chapter lies in 3 conditions. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, intersecting lines, unique solution. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 but not equal to C1 by C2. Parallel lines, no solution. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Coincident lines, infinitely many solutions. With that, pair of lines is done. I hope you enjoy learning. Pair of lines is fully done, all problems done, graphical method done, substitution method done, elimination method done, on 2 mark questions, 4 mark questions, almost graphical methods, everything is done. You learnt doing pair of lines. This is a very interesting topic in the examination. You can practice these questions and try to learn this chapter very well and get good marks in the exam, because there is one question of 4 marks, there is 2 questions of 2 marks or 1 mark and multiple choice questions. Nearly 10 marks you can get, just hardly 30 to 40 minutes preparation and revision of 20 minutes for 2 or 3 days will definitely fetch you nearly 8 to 10 marks in the final examination out of 60. Out of 60, 80 marks means nearly 13%, and all these 8 marks or 10 marks we can obtain in 5 to 10 minutes time, not more than 5 to 10 minutes. How much time you have to prepare for that? Per day 30 minutes, 2 days, done. 4th day, 5th day, 20 minutes practice is enough. Take your any previous answer question papers and answer only pair of lines equations for 30 to 40 minutes time, you have extra confident. Like this, there are some chapters in mathematics in 10th class. Statistics is such a chapter. Trigonometry is that kind of chapter. Pair of equations is that kind of chapter. You just allocate 30 minutes each every day for 3-4 days and you 30 to 40 marks guaranteed. And all the other chapters you can plan well. So, I am Yogananda teaching you mathematics for this video recording session, and I appeal to the parents of the students that you can visit our Venkana Junior College located at Chintal and Tarnaka and be benefited of our academic programs. Thank you all. I wish you good luck.